LOG4U, fulfillment logistics tailored for e-shops. It all starts with a meeting at our warehouse in Holoshoff. Andra and Dan have been storing their goods with us for over a year. They own the highly successful HardEnduroShop. They previously stored their merchandise in a different warehouse, but they were not satisfied there. That's why they chose LOG4U. They have just brought in new goods to be stocked. Let's take a look together at how the whole process works. They handed the goods over to Geek at receiving, who is currently taking in the first pieces for HardEnduroShop. She carefully checks, counts, and records everything, preparing it for subsequent storage, either in vertiflexes for smaller items or in pallet spaces designated for bulkier products. Unfortunately, the guys brought goods that lack a receiving slip. No worries, they can easily resolve this situation right on the spot. Every fulfillment client gets access to the LOG4U app, where they can easily prepare the slip so the intake can continue. This situation usually happens with smaller items. Most of the time, just connecting the eShop via API handles everything automatically. The slip is now created, so we can move forward. Jitka reloads the system and opens a new receiving slip to finish the intake of goods into the warehouse. On her screen, she sees all the items she needs to check. Each product also features a photo, so she can easily verify if everything is right. Next, she scans the barcode and enters the number of items. Then she picks a suitable spot in the vertiflex and assigns the product to a specific bin for automated storage. Jarmila has just arrived, our fully automated Geek Plus robot. The guys are thrilled with Jarmila because they like that we use modern technology. Currently, we have 3 Geek Plus robots, which navigate using QR codes. They help with storing items in the vertiflex units, or they transport goods to packing and dispatch. Dushan explains the storage process into the automated vertiflex towers. First, the prepared bin must be scanned so the system selects the right spot for the goods. The vertiflex tower is numbered, and the screen displays the shelf and position within that specific tower. This is followed by scanning the product code, entering the required quantity, and finally scanning the tower's code itself. Once confirmed, the tower automatically moves the shelf to the correct position, and the storage is complete. Our Milka is done for now and is taking the empty boxes with bins back to receiving so that more products can be prepared in them for storage. We'll continue with a tour of the warehouse. We have a really large storage area, and within 3 years we plan to expand it several times over. Andra is showing us their corner. HardEnduroShop offers a wide range of enduro and off-road gear. Helmets, protectors, gloves, apparel, boots, motorcycle parts, oils, tools, add-ons, and accessories for both riders and bikes. All of it is stored with us in our fulfillment warehouse. The LOG4U warehouse is located in a strategic spot in the Holoshoff industrial zone, right next to the D49 motorway exit. Thanks to its excellent transport access, it is ideal for fast distribution of goods across the Czech Republic, Slovakia, and other parts of Central Europe. At the LOG4U warehouse, we also use a modern BT Vector forklift, which is ideal for handling goods in very narrow aisles and allows efficient storage up to a height of 16 meters. Thanks to its smart controls, rotating fork, and high precision, it is an indispensable helper for us. Our warehouseman Martin is the one who handles it best of all. Another colleague, Martin, has just arrived with great news. Pallets of the long-awaited backpacks for HardEnduroShop have just been delivered to the warehouse. They're really excited about it, so let's go take a look. Dushan is opening the boxes and showing us which backpacks have arrived. The clear standout is the backpack designed in the style of a red checkered farmer's shirt. It looks really great. Dan is taking photos of it right away so he can post them on social media. Another backpack caught Dushan's attention so much that he immediately tried it on. That let us see the benefits it offers for enduro riders. It does not press anywhere in the front. It is made from high-quality and comfortable material, and it has cleverly placed buckles that do not get in the way at all. We've got the fantastic backpacks, and now let's take a look at how the packing process works. Hanka first scans the bin code of the container where the goods are ready for dispatch. She then scans the product barcode to verify it is correct. Next, she prepares a suitable box, places the goods inside, packs them carefully, and seals the box. She prints the shipping label, sticks it onto the box, and takes the parcel to the area designated for the specific carrier. The shipping companies then arrive to pick up the goods, regularly collecting parcels from our warehouse. Thanks to our precisely set processes, we can guarantee fast delivery. And now we'll show you that it's not just about work here. You can also have a lot of fun with us. Andra has just ridden off on his gas motorbike and remembered that he needs to pick up goods from the warehouse. He took out his phone and created the order directly in the app. This showed just how easy it is to use the LOG4U app from anywhere. Dan and Andra immediately set off to collect the order. They arrived at the warehouse, and within moments, Vertiflex brought them their goods. One of the advantages of our warehouse is that any goods ordered the same day by 5 p.m. are shipped out immediately and delivered to the customer the very next day. And what about our guys? Within just a few minutes, they were able to head back out into the terrain again, ready for new adventures. And that brings us to the end of our tour of the LOG4U fulfillment warehouse. Thank you for taking a look at how things work here. We hope we've shown you that storing your goods with us is truly simple and efficient. We look forward to welcoming you, our future customers, whom will help simplify logistics and take their e-shop one step further. LOG4U, hassle-free logistics.